sensuous sportiness.
It's the logical and emotional connection, technologies and art.
Perfect balance between the functionality and aesthetic.
A good design should strike at the first moment you look at it.
We look at everything that's going on, whether it's fashion industry or mobility industry.
One image is the black pebble on the beach.
Natural elements.
The changing times.
By rethinking, you challenge yourself.
But without challenge, design is not that fun. Sustainability is no longer optional. This is a responsibility of the designer. We actually came up with the idea with kind of like a joystick.
I would say this is the most striking feature of this interior.
It frees up the space.
This had an impact on the whole design.
Well, part of the joy I get is getting into trouble. But we're here to push and push and push.
The bubble shape, like a spaceship, gives you a feeling that the future could be bright and delightful.
If we can create a product where people smile and see an optimistic future, that's what our goal is.
The real progress in design is to be honest.
We want to create optimism again.
It has to be the blueprint of the Hyundai design in the future.
The real voice for the future.
Do it and believe it.